Right, good morning! So today gagawin natin ang Can't Say No Challenge. Kasi po siya, malungkot siya natalo ang Celtics. Pupunta na tayo ngayon. Saan mo ba gustong unang pumunta?
Apple Store comes first. Or no, you know what? Best Buy. Let's do Best Buy. Yeah.
Sandali. Gusto ko nang bawiin.
Uy. I don't know.
Meron po nakikita yung asawa ko na hindi ko nakikita.
May kita sa video mamaya. Merong yun. Bubuyog.
Okay. So, ganyan lang po talaga siya. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala. Meron po akong kumpleto po ako sa gamot para sa kanya.
That's right.
Okay, so ano yung store na uunahin natin?
Staples?
Staples?
Yeah.
Mahal dun
Hindi naman. Marami naka-discount dun. Doon tayo sa clearance.
Binabawi ko na po yung challenge. Gagawa na lang po kami ng panibagong recipe today.
Ubi pandesal.
Okay, so staple it is then.
Okay.
Let's go.
What is it?
Is that comfortable too? You really like the other one? Mas malapad, mas malaki. Is that your favorite? Okay, bagay sa'yo. Goodbye.
Wow!
So mag-Beautyrest ka? Beautyrest na nakalagay
Yeah.
Yeah.
Makanap na rin ako. Pamnak ko eh.
Will you really work or not? Say both. Are you happy?
Yes, I am. This is good.
Can you tell them what did you get?
I got the Beautyrest Hybrid. Big and tall.
Big and tall.
I'm not sure kung anong ito.
Yeah.
It's a Revo. A Revo Executive Chair.
Ooh. Is it the seat?
Yes, it is. Wow.
You happy?
Yes, this is great. Look at that.
The back one.
The back.
That's pretty big. Well, it's big and tall, so. I'm happy that it is bigger than your body.
Christmas. Christmas already?
Huh?
Is it Christmas already?
No. It's not a Christmas gift.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Mommy. This is great.
That's what you get when you are accepting my pranks.
More clear.
More pranks? What are those?
More parts now. Screws. Wrenches. It's everything.
And I saw how sad you are when the Celtics didn't get into the final.
Yeah.
So, are you happy now?
Yes. Talo na sila every year.
No!
Just kidding. Bye. We'll get it back.
They are great players.
We'll get it back next year.
Yeah. Oh my god, so you ready?
Set.
Okay.
Aye.
You want me to do it? It's my gift for you, so I can...
No. Part of the experience of pag-install.
Happy Bubu. Ay, happy Bubu. Malaglag ka dyan, oh. Happy?
Thank you. Great. This is great. Put my chair back,
No.
please. That's Daddy's work chair.
It's Crystal's toy chair.
Where am I gonna sit for work?
Yeah.
It's Crystal's toy chair.
Mommy got that for
Look,
Daddy.
that's too big for you, honey.
Look how big this is.
I'm small.
I know.
Yeah, you're small. It's too big for you.
This chair is for big. I'm big. You're small.
Okay.
Pero, okay, manahimik ka na din.
It's not Daddy chair.
It's not Daddy's chair, though.
It's a